Jew rin sin ginu Thammag Paagey. Te Thammag Paagey te such a slongan gent as shellach. Te cuma ciacal as te fiascan shoulder ginu once a ciacal en affair te kroga ram stew vosh. I Shenn mach mar a Jew as chimsaka ram stew once for us. Himsy Shenn Hibben as Holland as Pert Dulligan. So yeah, just a ram stew. Hanel ruling the beyond cred to lalda yinu, just cred to gal mach as chimsaka could be. In sass the yinu in Thammag Paagey, in the kid rud, the chimsaka lug tau chimsaka in the shellach, tau lube and shellach, on san ciacal, as is cianglet rish and calia, interwoven, la shellach, as is getting pert the string as curry, uli magiet, and slongan ciacal, as is lug Shenn, getting na hibben as in Holland, rensu chimsaka roche, as is curry, ether, ulien major and shellach te. So te shellach as the hibben as Holland, as is te put berischen jurga, te jiken fiyesh te kurin. As in lug Shenn, stu personable on. So stu ribbenen, or stu voshen and die, or stu vosh shanluch tai, as just kur rudde be on, te kur brie there. Sunta learn gal sha the Thammag Paagey fia en oil son sly mananach. It's such a cowrus on atch as ginu erdelia sa chofabel. So Trevor Thammag Paagey kroga and snindai, the such the kid yow, the goil fay as goil solia jen Nollick as ulimastu mashen, as henk gen mai manakvel fissek payaka be shadu for in Thammag Paagey. The ram shenagus cianglet rish and Thammag Paagey. The Thammag Paagey cianglet rish kagish omajak as the kagish omajak goil tayak and then kidle is feed mi venach a gaudi. As vi stu elegol cianglet rish kagish omajak son sample eel very podden volig shelgan drain as in gilia bena as stu mashen. As gin doot vech in Thammag Paagey a bheith yindasach san ullina stu kagish omajach. Tashin e yinu Thammag Paagey rish kusta linkenish as tashin ram solje jay. As they such the genachten san the luchtai de chitvicalia ach as hama Shenn te poldal tradishoonach mananach as the fia yesh san ullina luchtai de chitvicalia as galmach, as chimsachan stu, as chit bacchus nindai, as reche, as the just rudanach, fia mananach, as fivai, son luchtai. So we just ke fawestem a cree, the poldal tradishoonach got a Shenn.